If you need digital accessibility assistance, submit a request at drcog.org/access or call 303-455-1000. Please expect a response within 72 hours or 3 business days. The Denver People's Budget demonstrates that meaningful community engagement goes beyond handing out flyers and hosting events. Taking extra steps to give people a seat at the table and elevate their voices ensures consultative decision-making. The People's Budget was developed in 2022 to rebuild trust and better address the needs of historically underserved communities. The innovative approach empowers residents to work side by side with city and county staff to identify community investments. The process involves a culturally responsive strategy with open dialogue, so residents are truly a part of decision-making. People submit ideas, develop them into project proposals, and vote for their preferences for Denver to move forward on. More than 6,000 community members have participated and successfully allocated $3 million toward 13 infrastructure projects for their neighborhoods. Kiki Turner is Program Administrator for the Denver People's Budget.
It takes all of us to build and maintain a thriving city. It takes people and it takes government really working together. And I think when we have people who are excited and eager to get involved and work with city staff, that's when we see infrastructure come together that truly serves a community and that will be sort of long-standing.
MetroVision calls on each of the region's cities, towns, and counties to contribute to the metro area's economy, resilience, quality of life, and sense of place. The Denver People's Budget serves as an innovative model of direct democracy for local governments to balance resident-driven processes with efficient governance. The program has some of Denver's most robust and diverse public participation rates, representing its potential as a novel approach to community outreach. Congratulations to the City and County of Denver on your 2025 MetroVision Award.